So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a long time since I have posted any video on my channel, and there were some reasons due to which I can't continue YouTube. So, and I was doing nothing. That's why I'm not posting anything. But today actually I have ordered this PSIR notes from the Shubhra Ranjan Institute, and today I received this package, and I thought let's show you guys the unboxing and how the material looks, which the institute provides you. And I bought this from the official site, and if anyone needs about the details how to get this and what is the procedure and how many time it took to receive, and just let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to tell you guys or I will make, if there were more comments, I will make another video on this. And so let's see what is inside this package. So let me show you. This is how it looks. There is address on the top. Okay, so I think in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 6 booklets in total, and this is book number 1, Western Political Thought. Index is there. So in this, index is given, and which is quite good, and it is quite a bulky material. Obviously it covers the whole syllabus of PSIR. So yeah, by the way, it is handwritten notes. These are handwritten notes, and let's see how it goes. This is book number 1, Western Political Thought. Book number 2, Political Ideologies and Comparative Politics and Indian Politics. Wow. And book number 3, Indian Political Thought, Indian National Movement. In book number 4 we have Indian Government and Politics. Book number 5, International Relations Theory and Nuclear Questions. And actually I have to look these. And we have book number 6, International Organizations and Bilateral Relations. This is quite a bulky book. So that's all. This is the whole material which you get from the Shubhra Ranjan website through their Postal Correspondence course. And let me know if anybody wants me to make a review of this, and I will try my best to tell you guys how it is, how this material looks. So that is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.